Hello everyone. If this video has reached out to you, that means it's your lucky day. Because I've just discovered a new best method on how to make your videos look from this. Into this. Watch till the end so you don't miss out on this secret that I'm about to reveal that will make your videos never experience any dropped frames per second and never experience low bitrate issue ever again when you upload them on YouTube. So first thing, the apps that we're going to use is WinCap and CapCut app. If you don't have WinCap, I'll drop a link in the description to show you how to download it. Anyways, let's get into the steps. First thing, go ahead and open the app Wink. Click on HD Quality Restoration, then click on Ultra HD. Enhance your first clip, then hit Save. After that, finish enhancing all your other clips that you're going to need to edit them. Reminder also, if you run out of video enhancing usage, you can download vmake on Google Play Store or Apple Store to get an extra video enhancing usage. So anyways, after you're done enhancing all of your clips, open CapCut. Import all the clips that you enhanced. After you finish editing your videos, the most important thing here is that you must export your videos into 4K and 60 frames per second. Just trust the process. Now watch the difference between the normal version and the enhanced version. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more, and peace.